We are starting Module 3. So this is the data analysis practice, because I want you to practice with collecting data, making the data chart, and then analyzing the data that you've collected in the data chart. So this is a practice module, like literally practice. You're going to do this all on your own, including creating your own research question in the next module. So in this one, I've created the guiding research question that we're all going to use. I've given you two choices with a total of like 3 different accounts that you can follow for this. There's another video that talks about that for this project, for all of the work you're going to do in this module. But the goal here is to collect publicly viewable data that we can gather from social media and then draw conclusions from it. So we're going to have to analyze the data. We're going to have to do something with it to understand what is that data telling us about web writing. What is that data telling us about content? The whole point and purpose of this class. You will need, and so I have it right here, you will need to revisit the web writing rhetorical situation to help you. I focus specifically on audience analysis. You'll need to bring in the other pieces as well. And the other pieces influence what you're going to analyze in the audience analysis. So make sure that you pay attention to all of the pieces, revisit the book. You can use this chapter throughout all of the assignments in the rest of this course. Okay, so let's just go through really briefly what you need to do. So in this module, you need to watch this video. Yay, check 1. After this, you need to read the data-driven practices page. There are multiple points on that page where I say, put this in your notes, and then you will upload that as a part of reflection number 2. So those notes are required. You can handwrite them or you can type them, completely your choice. Next, you need to read the audience analysis. Same thing. There are points in there where I say, do this work, and you're going to then upload the notes into reflection number 2. It is a part of the reflection number 2 grade. This is not a time where you're like, I don't usually take notes. I'm not asking you to take notes. I ask you very specific directed questions, and I tell you things that you need to do with that, okay? I'm doing this for a reason. I have read so many books on memory and the function of memory to help students learn. I'm not asking you to regurgitate to me the things that I've already told you. I'm not asking you to regurgitate the stuff that I've written. I'm asking you to apply the ideas and do something with it, and that's what the notes are. The notes are not regurgitation. The notes are work with these ideas, work with these concepts, and show me that you know how to do this. It's practice so that you're more effective at practicing. It's practice so you're more effective at applying. All of this is based in memory. All of this will help you in the future when you have to come up with these questions on your own to get to the application side. This is not busy work. Do it. Okay, once you're done with that, then you need to complete the data assignment. You're going to submit the data assignment to me, and then you're going to analyze everything from the data assignment in the data analysis project. Because this is such a short semester, those due dates are real tight, so make sure that you're paying attention to the due dates. And then to end the module, you are going to submit reflection number 2. Again, reflection number 2 is going to include Tumblr posts. It's also going to include the notes, and then there are additional sections to make sure that you're paying attention to the reflection number 2 assignment so that you submit all of the assignments, all of the sections that are required. If you have any questions about any of this, you can reach out to me on Tumblr. You can tag me in a post on Tumblr. You can send me an email, or you can drop by office hours. I'll see you online.